How to draw the Pokemon Igglybuff. For the first step of drawing Igglybuff, we're going to begin by drawing two lines. These lines will look similar to C's, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side of the page. In between the two lines that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. Beginning with the right eye, we're going to draw a small circle. Nice! Now on the inside of that circle, we're going to draw the pupil by drawing a smaller circle with a bigger circle attached to it in the center. A little to the left, we'll draw the second eye, which will look identical to what we just drew on the right hand side. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Now right beneath the eyes, we're going to draw the mouth as well as the arm. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials of Pokemon, just like today's drawing of Igglybuff, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. Now if you take a quick look on the top of Igglybuff, we have an empty space. We're going to close this off by using three shapes similar to C's, one on top of the other, so they will all be stacked, with the top one being in the center. Now moving directly below what we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw a small swirl. Taking a second quick look, you can notice that there's a second empty space on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and close this off by using a small curved line, along with drawing two legs that will close off these two empty spaces on each side of that curved line. Have you ever wanted to draw something but it just wasn't on YouTube? Well, if you're a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, which means you're subscribed to our channel, that means that you can request all the art requests that you would like down below in the comments and we'll draw it for you at any time. Now to finish today's drawing, we're going to finish by drawing the left arm by using a small curved line similar to a C. Great job today! At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a quick picture of this drawing colored in. Pause it so you can match the colors of our drawing. And I can't wait to draw with you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, great job drawing Igglybuff today. If you want to learn how to draw more Pokemon, then click on the Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist to the left. If not, click on the video to the right to learn how to draw Mew.